Did you know that there's a spice right in your kitchen shelf that can fight cancer? Here's a smart tip about how to make your food not only tasty, but healing. You can add the golden spice turmeric to your food to make it an anti-cancer diet. This is a spice that gives Indian food its bright yellow color. The active constituent in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin has many medicinal properties. It is anti-cancer and anti-tumor. It also turns off cancer-promoting genes and turns on cancer-suppressing genes, and is a super anti-inflammatory. I'm Dr. Nalini Chilkov, healthy medicine and cancer expert. You can read more about health and cancer on my blog, drnalini.com. Thanks for watching my Smart Tip.